Here you go. I hope this can solve my problem. Crank and no start. So that's from here, and it goes 4-way. Basically. Alright. We need to double check if everything is open to be checked. So this is the wire comes to right here to fasten, attached to the engine right here. So this part go to the positive. Check it's open. Check open. Check. So this part is ready, and then come to this is going to the spark. Open, 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 check, 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 and then this part going to here, and go to the sparks, and then going down to check, 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 check. Yeah, it's all ready to be checked. You check the connection, and this one is going to the modular of I believe this is going to the transmission module. Okay, it's open and to be ready to be checked. Check, open, 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 open. That's good. So we'll come to this part. That is the part that going down to right here. See, that's the alternator and the connection right there, and it's open, ready to be checked. And then this part going to connect to I believe it's a starter right here, going down to the starter, and then it's maybe the fan. And this one is yeah, it's open to be ready to be checked. Yep, that's some modular. Basically, you can see the modular, it has a lock right there. So this should be the module for the air. You know, the air needs to come in the engine, to the engine, and then this. So it's all ready. This is here. It's all open and ready to check. I believe this is going down there and down there, and this part connect to. Okay, right there. See that is for the fuse box in the hood, and that is negative connection. All right, all ready to be checked. I need to rest.